So if I don't get tent up, I might be trying to put it up in the dark. I'm gonna go ahead and get away from this cave here and find a better spot to camp.
He doesn't want it, I don't care. No.
11 miles from Russell. Bryce is near the top of the
Not yet.
mountain ridge at the location given to him by a local eyewitness.
So I'm up here, right where the spot that Jenny pointed to on the map. The same place where she told me she had that horrifying encounter when she was a little girl. And near the place where she found those tracks.
This is thick. Oh, it's so creepy. There's a fence here. There's kind of an opening up here, too. I wonder why this is fenced in like that. What is this? Looks like a really old grave marker. It's weird because I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. And I'm not 100% positive that's what this is, but it certainly sort of looks that way. This could be so old.
There are some people who believe Bigfoot shows up around graveyards and places with a dark past. It reminds me of last year when Ronnie and Maria came across that hidden cemetery deep within the forests of Oregon.
Cemetery?
Cemetery in the middle of nowhere.
Daisy, less than 2 years old.
This one was only a little over a year old, not even.
These are all children. What the hell happened out here?
All I know is I don't want to spend too much more time here walking over these graves if that's what they are. So let's go.